Hello, good morning po. Nandito po tayo sa Barangay 183, Pasay City para po sa isang dance fitness class. Ngayon po ay kasama ko si Koy at si Ate Vivian.
Even know I can make your hands clap. Said I can make your hands clap. Somebody said you're so cause you've been singing in the city. You know too many troubles, all these lovers got you losing control. You like a toy, you luxury, my sugar and roll. I want your sex and your affection when they're holding you close. Cause you don't even know I can make your hands clap. Said I can make your hands clap. Come out, am I the only living soul around? Need to believe you could hold me down, cause I'm in need of something good right now. We could be screaming till the sun comes out. I'm not gonna see the big danger on the road in the right. From Bravo to the freeway, you keep on the crash. Ain't no conviction, but the people is a fight. I'm this a fight. People would you fight?
Po ng ating dance fitness at nakapag-bihis na rin po ako ngayon. Siyempre, after ng dance fitness. Tada!